Welcome to this tutorial on managing your finances. Today, we'll show you how to quickly create and configure a new bank account within the platform to keep your records accurate and up to date. Start by navigating to your main dashboard. From the side menu, select Accounting Masters, and then click on Chart of Accounts to view your existing financial structure. Once in the Chart of Accounts, you will see various tabs for different account types. Click on the Bank tab to focus specifically on your bank accounts. To add a new bank account to your records, locate and click the Add Account button found at the top right of your workspace. A configuration window will appear. First, open the Account Type drop-down menu and select Bank or Bank Account from the list. Review your entries for accuracy. Once everything looks correct, click the Save button to finalize and confirm the creation of your new bank account. As the final step, click the Save button to create and confirm the new bank account. And that's it. Your bank account is now fully integrated and ready to handle your business transactions with ease. Ready to take your financial management to the next level? Visit our website today to explore more features and benefits designed to help your business thrive. Streamline your workflow and get back to what matters most, growing your business.